sample of your status. The first thing is the application, the compression. All the courses you have completed, it is shown here as you have completed. Another thing is the hours you spend on the platform, and you need to put another features you add, it is the assigned modules. Assigned modules, it is all the modules you have already enrolled. So after you amend the modules, it is clear here as it is in progress. If you complete it, it is disappear from these sections. So when you are the new ones, the things you need to do is to come on this page and then click here. The first one, it shows all the courses we have on the photo. It shows all 12 courses. You have the 12 courses: animation, software, game development, you have data science, and all the courses. It is in the three sections. Let's say that we have the beginner for the people who is the new on that field. For example, we need to learn data science, but it is the new for you. On the secondary or on the university, you didn't learn something like mathematics, statistics, so you came here and start as a beginner. When you have something new on that field, you need to start as an intermediate or advanced according to the level or to the skills you have. Then the things you need to do is to click on the course you need to start to learn. Then after, you need to request in a way to show your interest. If you are interested in the course, you can just click on that and read the details, the course you cover, and then if you are interested to continue, the things you do is to request that courses. The internet was on slow, but who need to increase their knowledge, others who need to boost their skills on their job market. So another thing is why it is important for us to join MURI DTP. The things I was mentioned before, but I need to add some things, which is it is the collaboration. It's a way to know what you need in the market, what the industry needs, and what is and they are evaluating or comparison to your skills to know my skills it is compatible to the market. It's the first thing. Another thing is we are preparing the hackathon. We have the hackathon, some of them already has registered from the hackathon. Take hackathon, which will be conducted